What's up guys, Kieran here, and today I'm going to be doing really weird video because this is what I normally do. But I'm going to do an earlier, and this is video for WO. I'm going to be doing a showcase premise. It's a cool ride, but we're going to take it to his drive, so I'm going to go first.
Don't know why I'm not saying it. I can't really get focus on the car.
Yeah. Why don't you go have a look at it, Zach? We'll go a bit closer and have a look at it.
Yeah. Fuck! Sure you all could see that, but I've nearly run over.
So it's got a good suspension. The ultimate.
And reverse out.
Yeah.
See?
It's got
No one has seen me yet.
like a racing track, shouldn't
Yeah, we should. Do it where it skids the thing. That. Oh, I wasn't focusing there.
Should I try and do a wall ride? Did that time? I used to say we should have that time. Ah, close.
Just reverse it.
No, it doesn't work. Oh, it isn't reverse. Oh yeah, no, it didn't work. Right.
Oh!
It didn't reverse, then just pause the video.
Just click that button, yeah. That pause button, but not
right
right
now.
there.
Don't need to.
Like now.
Right, and at 2 minutes and 10, that's your go now. I'll record.
Okay.
So, right. Sorry about the quality, guys.
I saw a red light in there, did you?
No? Whoa, jeez. Thought we stuck then. Elliot, stop it a sec. Right, let's just have a quick look at this. So, pretty like tires, rubber, and they're pretty good quality anyway. Lights not actually work, it's just all plastic. This bit though,
It's quite indestructible.
this bit is plastic.
What it has been through.
I'm going to try and show you guys suspension. If you see that like red bit there, suspension underneath. Yeah, okay, let's carry on. Woo, jeez. You try to do like a skid. Try and wall ride it.
What?
Try and wall ride it.
I'd actually put it on the wall.
Yeah. Okay, put it on that wall. You just crashed it into the wall. I didn't do that, you see, I just wall rode it, but it stopped.
I think it worked because we got to do this one.
And what you gotta do? Bring it back and then just go straight for it. You gotta like get it right. Oh no! Remember that time that I flipped it?
Yeah, he flipped it once.
It did a flip. I've already made it. I've made it do a barrel roll as well. As you guys see though, I'm gonna get a GoPro for this. Jesus, I need to attach it to the car. It sounds pretty real. Whoa!
Should you show them the controller? Look. Right.
It's kind of weird.
This is okay. So
Right.
the trigger. So